Hi, it's Jaylene from WTI, and on a sunny day like today, these sunglasses are great to have on hand. So here's a view of what the glasses look like from up close from both sides, and I love how it's a rounded yet sleek look. And here you can see from a farther point of view how they protect your eyes in the sun. So as you can see here, these glasses have a slight tint to it, but I love how the glasses have a more of a round cat eye look, and I also love the sleek look of it, so it's not too heavy where it won't bother your ears. So here I just wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison. I have here a regular makeup brush so you can see how it looks like in length. And here I put it close so you can see it's not too long or too wide. And then I just switched it out here for a standard sized ballpoint pen. And you can see how it's a very slick and minimal look, but overall cute look. So if you're looking for cute sunglasses, I would highly recommend these, but that's just my point of view.